Thank you for checking out our video. In this quick video, we'll show you how to change the engine air filter in a Kia Sorento. On many vehicles, this process is similar, but this video is the 2015 Kia Sorento. We're featuring Curtis today with the YouTube channel KDM Kurt, and he's going to step us through the simple process. His channel is really fascinating, where he shows you how to install parts and modifications on a 2022 Stinger GT1. There's a link in the video and the description below, so be sure to check out his channel and even his Instagram for some really cool car tips, tricks, car meets, and even some product reviews. So stick with us for just a minute and we'll be right back and step you through the simple process that can save you money.
Alright, so today we are going to be changing the engine air filter on this 2015 Kia Sorento. So we've already got our filter here. We need to extract the old filter. To do that, we're first just going to pop these two clips on the air box, and you'll see it'll kind of separate a little bit. And then this little door right here is just going to fold down and you can access your filter. It's just gonna slide right on out. And it doesn't look too bad from that angle, but if you flip it over, you can see all that stuff that's starting to get stuck in your filter. So let's go ahead and get the new filter out of our box. And then we should just be able to slide that right back into place. And then you're going to flip the door back up, and it needs to go inside of the air box. It's going to come back down a little bit, and then these clips are just going to reattach, and that's it.
Thanks for stopping by the DIY Collaborative. We've provided some helpful information in the description, including some links that you may want to check out. Please give us your feedback, ask questions, and let us know what you think in the comments section. If you're not already a subscriber, please consider subscribing and be sure to check out our other do-it-yourself videos. And don't forget to hit that like button.